Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube using the mobile app. So YouTube has added the ability to see your subscribers on the mobile app. You don't need to check that on YouTube Studio desktop. So to do that, open your YouTube app, click on You at the bottom right corner. Now click on your profile. Under your subscriber count, you're going to see where it says See Your Subscribers. Click on it. Do know that only users who have made their subscription public, that's the people you are going to see in this section. So you can sort it by subscriber count. You can see the person that have the most subscribers in your list. So this is how you see your subscribers on YouTube using the mobile app. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.